Hey there, all you RC enthusiasts. This is Alicia. Unleash the power. Upgrade your RC with RCScrewZ Bearing Kits. Are you craving blazing speed and smooth control? Say goodbye to friction and hello to speed. RCScrewZ Bearing Kits provide high-quality metal and rubber shielded bearings, reducing friction for ultimate performance on-road or off-road. Love off-roading but hate the dirt and grime messing up your RC heart? RCScrewZ Rubber Shielded Bearings are sealed to keep dirt out, ensuring top-notch performance on any terrain. Nothing will stop you from conquering those obstacles. Are you dreaming of becoming an RC racing legend? Upgrade your bearings to metal-shielded ones for less friction, giving you that extra edge to win every race. You'll be leaving your competitors in the dust. Is your RC drifting feeling a bit rough? RCScrewZ Bearing Kits guarantee a smooth and precise experience, making every maneuver feel like a breeze on water. Sail through those tight turns effortlessly. Tired of weak and corroded screws ruining your RC appearance? RCScrewZ stainless steel screw kits are the answer. Our durable kits provide unbeatable strength, so say goodbye to bent and rusted screws. So whether you're seeking speed, endurance, or ultimate control, RCScrewZ Bearing Kits are the RC enthusiast's dream come true. Upgrade your RC game today and experience the power of precision engineering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing RC tips and tricks. And remember, for a limited time, get an exclusive 15% discount on RC upgrades at our website. Unlock peak performance now. Upgrade your RC experience with RCScrewZ Bearing Kits and witness the difference. Don't miss out. Take your RC to the next level today. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with thrilling RC adventures and happy RC upgrading. Again, this is Alicia. Bye for now.